Hello students, today's presentation is Scope of Business Ethics and Objectives. So what is mean by scope of ethics? Ethics as a normative means especially of behaviors. Science deals with normal ideas or to good in order to inquiry the nature of our context. It is also known as its inquiry into the nature of the spring of action, motives, incentives, intention, voluntary actions of so on. So in this, ethical issues are everywhere. It is in all the level of business activities. Those are the ethical concern which generally we can see that the stockholders level, in this level, employees, security to job, better working condition, better recommendation, welfare facilities, and with the customers, better quality of goods and services at reasonable price, not to practice discriminatory pricing, not make false claim about products in advertisements. And shareholders, they have to see that ensure capital appreciation, ensure steady and stay at regular dividend, disclose all relevant information, protect all the minorities, shareholders' interest. Not to window dress balance sheets, protect interest in terms of mergers and takeovers. In banks and other financial institutions, they have to follow the ethics like guarantee safety and borrowed funds, prompt repayment of loans. In government, complying with rules and regulations, honesty in paying tax and other duties, acting as partner in progress of country. The second level, that is in a personal policies level. In this, the company or organization has to follow the ethics not to use office car, stationery and other facilities for personal use, and not to fall or fell prey to short hands, not to misuse other of personal gains, not to spoil promotion chances of others, and they have to be keep, that is promise keeping, mutual help, not to indulge in political to gain power. In next level, socialistical level, concern for poor and downtrodden, no discrimination against any particular session or group, concern for clean environment, prevention of resources of posterity, contributing to better quality of life. In internal policies level, fair practice relating to requirement, compensation, layoff, breaks and promotion. Transformation, leadership to motive employees to aim at better and higher things in life, better communication at all level. So this is called as a scope of business ethics. Next one, objectives of business ethics. The various objectives of business ethics are to examine the intensity of ethical issues as an important element influencing the ethical decision making process. The second one, to introduce individual factors that may influence ethical decision making in business, and to provide the framework of ethical decision making in business. And the next one, to introduce organization factors that may be influence ethical decision making in business, to explain how knowledge about the ethical decision making framework can be used in to improve ethical leadership. The next point, to provide leadership styles and habit that promotes an ethical culture, and also to develop the power and influence of business in society is greater than ever before. Business ethics helps us to understand why this is happening, what is the implementation might be, and how we may address this situation. It also helps to provide a major contribution to the societies to reduce the business malpractice that has to potential to conflict, hemorrhages, or on individuals. To help the demand begin placed on business to be ethical by its various stockholders. Business ethics can also help to improve ethical decision making by providing managers with the approximate knowledge and the tool that allow them to correctly and identifyly analyzing and provide the solutions to the ethical problems and the dynamics between ethics and the law. So, this is the common terms and principles of modern bioethics. So, let us conclude this topic. It can be concluded that it is the high time business ethics should be practiced all over the global in the business of the common.